Hello reception and welcome to Friday's literacy activity video. So on Friday we've got to write a poem about the seasons, and to start off with I put a little link to a seasons poem. It's a very simple one on YouTube. I'll read it to you now. We see leaves, we see orange, we see brown, we see leaves on the ground. We see yellow, we see red, we see leaves above our head. Now this poem rhymes, but the poem that you write doesn't have to rhyme. I want you to have a little think about a spring poem which could follow the same pattern. We see, we see, we see. Once you've finished writing your poem, you can then make a video of yourself reciting the poem. That means reading your poem out, and you can post that on Tapestry. One of the ways I think would be good to start our poem is by having a little idea. So I'm going to write spring in the middle of my paper. And I'm going to have some ideas about spring. So in spring, what colours do we see? Let's think about the colours we might see. We might see green, we might see pink, we might see yellow. Let's think about some of the things. We might hear birds, so we might see birds. We might see flowers. We might see leaves. Okay, so now I've got my ideas, I can think about what my poem might be. So I might write, we see flowers. We see, but I'm going to add in another word here. I'm going to describe my flowers. We see pink flowers. We see green grass. We see, what about some insects? I know, butterflies. How can I describe my butterflies? Beautiful butterflies. Beautiful butterflies. So you can see I've followed that same pattern. We see, we see, we see. Now Miss Bradburn knows how to spell these words, but you might not know how to spell these words. So what I would like you to do is use your sounds, and I'm going to give an example here of how we're going to use our sounds. We're not worrying about the spelling. We know how to write we see because Miss Bradburn has put it there. We see fluffy blossom. So I'm going to sound out fluffy blossom. E, fluffy. B, l, o, s, l, o, s, o, We see fluffy blossom. So there's my little poem. I can't wait to hear yours on Tapestry. I hope you enjoy this literacy activity today. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye.